Nice one-piece molded aluminum cover. Everybody, we're last day of March here, and a lot of people don't believe me, but here it is. We have over 2 feet of snow, probably about 2.5 feet of snow. It's a high of -4 Celsius today, and spring just doesn't want to come. It's nice and sunny, but it's cool and way too much snow to do any riding. So we're inside the garage today since it's so cold outside. It's -4 outside and +16 in here, so nice and cozy. You remember last ride, or I tried to ride and ended up catching the snow and rolling it on the road, and it sat for quite a while on its side. The clean air hose had almost 1 liter of oil in it. So I had to drain that out, clean that out, clean out the box the best I could in the back or in the front. Just sprayed some brake cleaner in there to get the oil out of the hose. Those wires there are for the switch for the halos. That's how I hook it up behind the cover. So I've just been taking it apart, making sure I didn't damage anything. And today we're going to change that water impeller cover. That's the old one. That's the one with no lip on it, and or about 1/2 inch of lip on it. And I don't like that. Although I have a gear clamp on there right now, I don't like the fact that it only has a lip on 1/2 inch. So time to change that out. And it's going to be changed out with Boyesen. Nice one-piece molded aluminum cover. They give you a little bit of instructions. It's called the super cooler. I actually had to mail them because it's on their website, hard to find, and you can't even put it into the box to order it. So doesn't come with the gasket, but bought a brand new gasket. That's just a OEM gasket, and if you can see that all the way around this one, nice lip. And if you remember the little junk video I did of the brand new Can Am part with a lip on only half, barely half. So there's Can Am, there's Boyesen. Much better product. And the Boyesen comes with a nice aluminum water impeller. So we're going to change out the Can Am plastic one. That should make a big difference too. So I'm just going to drop this hose off. You can see how easy, I just loosened it off barely, and you can see how the fluid is coming out. So you know that joint is not good at all. Not a good connection between the hose and the cover. Just gonna pop that off, drain it out. Remember to undo the cap too, because there'll be some back suction in there. This bottom bolt here, that's the drain hole if you actually want to drain it real nicely. I got a big pan underneath to catch it, so 3 more. And now the cover should come off. And there's the plastic impeller. And show you once again just to confirm. There's a tiny bit of a lip there. There's nothing all the way around. Back to there again. So that's the lip right there to there. I'll give it 3/4 of an inch. And that's exactly the same as the one that brand new one that I ordered from BRP. No lip. Counterclockwise, loosen her off, spin her off. That is the plastic impeller. Put it in the light here, maybe you can see it better. Brand new gasket and the Boyesen cover. And the gasket has little, I don't know if you can see that, little tiny ridges part way around it, just to, so when you put it in, it actually holds it in place, which is nice. And it's not going to fall out. So you just push that in nicely. Alright, gasket nicely installed. Let's see, it doesn't fall out, so that would be easy to put on there. It's going to look pretty slick. And then we got the nice new aluminum impeller compared to the fins are a little bigger. You can't use this one with the with your stock cover. That'll hit. The Boyesen cover is made especially for this, or this is made especially for that. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same amount of fins, bigger. So I'll install this one. Wind her clockwise back on. New impellers on. Just go slowly so you don't strip the threads. You don't want to cross thread them. Make sure that they're started good. I'm not sure what the torque value for this is, but once they get pretty tight there, it's like you'll feel it in just an extra little tiny turn. Alright, hose has got lots of space, so I'll make sure that this is got quite a bit of area there. The lip is about here, so it should be good right about there. I won't go too much so we don't split the hose, but that should be good. Alright, so when I fill it up, there's a bleed screw and some light up here for you. If you can see it, here's where the hose comes into the cylinder head. The bleed screw is right there. There's 2 screws holding this down, and you see through all the old skeg. The bleed screw is right on top there. So we just loosen that off, and same thing on the other cylinder, it's on the other side. And that'll get the air out of the system, and then we'll be good to go. Nice new Boyesen impeller cover on. Looks good. Hopefully everything works good. And we'll be ready to go for a blast as soon as this damn snow melts. Or gets down low enough. Still too much. It's got a crust on it. If you break the crust, you're going down and you're not coming out. So, hope this video was useful. I'm going to let you know how it's been operating. Midsummer, I'll comment on it sometime. Keep watching the videos. We got lots of fun ahead this summer. Another 2 months, and I'll be going out to do a ride with the Ostacruiser gang. Hopefully, get to see the nitros machines working out there. That should be pretty cool. Skimming the skeg where I'm sinking. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys.